Hello everyone, thank you for joining to the channel. So there are a lot of reasons for which you may want to activate the hibernation on your system. Maybe you are going to fly a 15-hour long flight and you know that your battery is pretty low and it's not going to survive the sleep in your 15-hour long flight. So the best way to do is to just activate the hibernate and your system is not going to consume the battery at all. Let's see how you can do it. So either you can come to the Windows setting menu and search for power and sleep settings, or you can just click on start and start searching for power and sleep settings. Either way, you want to reach this screen. So once you are here, click on this additional power settings on the right of the screen. If you see here, now when you come to this page, which is the old Windows 7 style page that you see here, so you want to click on choose what closing the lid does. So once you are here, you see that Hibernate is turned off, and that's why you don't see it here, right? Now we want to activate it. So the way you'll have to activate it is only an admin can do it. So you have to activate your admin privileges. It may ask you that you're going to impact the admin area. It may ask you for a yes or no. It may ask you for a password, depending on how you have set up your settings. So once you do that, click on Hibernate, save changes, and just close it out. And there you have it. You can hibernate your system now. Thanks everyone.